Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1974 Plymouth Cuda.
Original door buzzer still works.
That's cool.
I'll tell you what, Dalton, this is a sharp car.
Yeah, sweet looking car, freshly rebuilt motor.
Yeah, we took this in on trade.
We have to be inside today because of how windy it is outside, so we just can't keep them running too long in here.
Sorry. We took this on trade, and sometimes we get burned. We talked about that with the 69 Chevelle, but anyway, it was just a little loud. We put a new camo lifters in it. Basically went through the whole engine. We had to do the whole thing, send it out, got it done, put it back together, and really good running little 360 in here now.
Yep. Got options too. Got power brakes, power steering, headers, MSD ignition.
Look at the quality of the paint on the inner fenders. That's what I like. You know, they did a really nice job when they did it. The car was done a while back. You'll notice when you go around it, it's super straight, very solid. But just with that black finish, it could use another light wet sand and buff. Just from age, it just has some little swirls and stuff like that. Just little imperfections in the paint, not bubbles, but.
And from right here, it looks like $1 million, but just when you get
it's just
close,
got some
you can
little,
just tell it's older paint.
Some little sap or something. You know what I mean? Just some little tiny things in it. But wow, for a black car, it is super straight. I'll let you go ahead and do this one, D. We put new tires all the way around. We also went ahead and went with those rally rims, repainted them all so they're all fresh.
Hood gap from front to back.
Let me push this down a little and see if
up.
it could be adjusted. Yeah, just your typical. Like it's just little stuff like this. You can see tiny little hairline crack here. And then get up close once. It's just got some of this little, might almost be like a sap or something, but not sure.
Like I said, a wet sand and buff might help it.
I love the flat black strobe stripe on it.
Yeah, I do too. Grill looks good. Front bumper's in good shape. Headlights look good. Front bumper's got a great shine. If you look really close, it's got a few little micro scratches, but I wouldn't change it.
Got a great stance too, doesn't it? Just perfect how I like it anyway.
Yeah. It's got the right rally wheels, new BFG raised white letter tires, and I do like that flat black stripe a lot. It's really cocky.
Things line up good. I mean, the door lines up great back here and in the front. To the front fender, just really nice. Your stripe lines up good. Sorry. As we open up the door, look at the corner of the door, rust-free, never had any issues. Looks like they went ahead and put all new door rubbers in it too. When they had it painted years ago, new scuff plates.
Panels look good.
Dash pad's awesome, seats are nice.
Center console's in great shape. As Chad mentioned, dash pad looks awesome. Seats are really nice. Looks like they've been recovered, and they did a great job with them too. I don't see any wrinkles, newer padding. Sorry about that damn glare from the window. We'd like to do them outside, but Mother Nature's not cooperating with us. Headliner's really nice and tight. Dome light works. Visors are nice. Back seat's in good shape as well. That's what I mean, just the fitment and then the straightness of the paint. Even though it's older, it's got a hell of a shine. You know, you stand back and it's really nice and straight. Behind the rear tire's nice. Corner of the door fits awesome.
If we look, some of the trim could be redone. Like this trim here should be replaced. It's got some scratches and some little dings. Nice jam work on the trunk lid. The trunk lid's nice and solid. But look inside here. It's got the nice mat, and it's all painted gloss black in here too. I mean, there's nothing goofy. Here's your bumper like your bumper guard. Factory. No one really likes those on a 74, but it does have it. But yeah, nice job on the inside of the trunk. They did a good job painting that. It's got the Cuda cutouts, Cuda exhaust.
This tail panel's here nice. You got a few spots where that's just chipped off, and you can see the bare metal underneath.
And Big D, this is a BS Cuda. Sorry, excuse me. Which is a Cuda, not a Barracuda. Nice. So it's got the Cuda hood, it's got the Cuda exhaust, it's got the tail stripes. You know what I mean? Wow. Yeah, it does have the worst part about it, and this just happened while I was here waiting for the engine compartment. So we will go ahead and take care of this. We'll repaint the trunk lid. but it's got a crack in the paint there. We'll go ahead and strip that and get that repainted.
Yes.
But look how nice this trunk lid fits. My side is great, same thing here. Just really nice all the way around it. That's really the only major imperfection in the car. And that, like I said, it happened after it just sat outside here for way too long, waiting for that engine to be rebuilt. When those cars have to sit outside sometimes, that's about as hard on them as you can get, you know what?
Yeah. Rear quarter down low looks good.
Yeah, the fitment on the door and front and back on this is awesome too.
Yeah, it is.
Really nice,
Dogleg
both
area
sides.
looks good there. Wheels and tires.
And just how it shuts and opens.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Still the factory sticker. This car was born in March of 1974, so it was a kind of more of a later build.
The panel's nice. Scuff plates look new.
And also I like about it, you know, no one ever screwed with the steering wheel and interior. They left everything bone stock except for we got some aftermarket gauges down here, and we also have a CD player in there. Yeah, really nice. That's how they're supposed to shut. Here's your front edge of the fender. Gonna hold it and I'll start it and back it up. How's that?
Sounds good.
So I'll pick you up and we'll go for a ride.
All right. Yeah, stance is nice. Really nice.
Starts easy, don't it?
Yeah.
So factory gauges look like they work as far as it's charging, and it looks like the temp gauge, sorry, the temp is not working. So we did go ahead and put a new one down here, aftermarket, but the oil pressure is 80 pounds with that rebuilt motor. And it goes up to 90 with the rev, okay? Wipers work, yeah. And park correctly. All, you know, we turned on the dash lights, all work when we were inside. I turned those on. How about the dome light? Yep. And the buzzer. Heater fan.
Heater fan works.
I think the fan's just one speed. No, there's two. Good. That works and moves freely. Radio, we know anything about that?
I don't know
The old
about
Clarion?
the old Clarion radio.
Oh yeah. Good. That works as well.
I love how you sit down in these Cudas. They're just cool.
It's got a remote mirror as well. And that's working. Gas gauge works, speedometer works. Wow, a little
Nice
difference,
car.
ain't there?
Yeah,
From the rebuild motor to what we had before. I mean, it was a good driver, but like I said, we got back from the video. You could hear those lifters really a-clattering. And we're just like, you know what? It's not something we're going to pass on. We got passed it on.
Yeah.
We're not going to do that the next guy. So we had the motor completely rebuilt, and you're going to get a damn good car. Works. Everything works on this thing, huh?
Yeah, it's got a good pull.
It's a whole different animal now.
Yeah, it is. Really smooth shift.
Look at the way it goes down the road.
It's just smooth too. You know, no rattles, no noises. Just smooth running car.
Speedometer says 90. Here's your brakes high speed.
Awesome.
Another great product that Coyote Classics has went through
this
and
car,
did.
total 180.
It
Mechanically excellent.
Let's go through the gears and just show that trainee a little bit where we're at there. Really proud of the guys on this one.
Yeah, they did good.
Nice.
Great shift to third.
I like it. I like the whole thing.
Just smooth.
It's straight and it ain't a rattle trap.
Yeah.
I mean, this, like I said, I'm going to say it one more time. This car did a 180.
Yeah.
Almost a 360.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.